Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on FP markets. And right now we are here on their website and I already created an account. If you don't have an account already, please check out the previous video that I made about how to create a demo account or how to create a real account. And then once you created that account, they send the login information to your email address. So what we're gonna do right now, we click right here on Web Trader and he automatically log myself in. But if you go to your email address, there you will find your login and the password, and then you need to click right here on the correct platform and then you can log in. Then right now you will find right here the chart, and if you want to trade in something, you can search for it right there. So right now you see here a lot, but let's say we want to trade in cryptocurrency and we want to create a position on Ethereum. Let's try it on Ethereum, that's fine. What you can do, the first thing that you need to know is if you want to create a position, you click right here on new order, where you will find right here the volume. So select right here how much you want to step in with. So 1 is fine. Right here you can set a stop loss, and this means that if you click now on the plus icon, you can put the line right here on the price range where he will stop or trade, will give our position back and will stop our losses. We can also do this for a take profit. So this means that when he will hit this price range, he will take our profit and he will do that automatically. Now you can put that if you want to. For now, I click just right here on buy, and now we just created ourselves a position for 1 Ethereum. We can also do this for a sell. So if you now click on new order and we scroll down and click right here on sell, we created right here a sell position. So this is how you can buy and how you can sell right here on FP markets. You have also a lot of things that you can do. So right here you can set it to H4, H1 or M30. And this means the duration or the time frame that you can check the chart. You also have here on the left a lot of options that you can use, but if I tell you exactly what everything will do, we can make a video around 1 hour. So yeah, you can also figure that out by yourself. But these things are the basics that you need to know to trade on FP markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.